Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Which kind of letters did we do yesterday?
Ma'am, business letter. Formal letter.
And letter to the editor is also done.
Yes.
So two types of letters are done: letter to the editor and business letters, where we had placed orders. But whatever we did was oral. Fine. So today, please, since the session has started, I have not told you to do anything in written. Giving you 2 minutes. Bring a paper and a pen, notebook, whatever. If you're writing on a paper, you do not have notebooks, then please compile the papers. Keep a record of these papers, put them in a folder or a file. Because then internal assessment marks have to go. I'll be giving you on the basis of the work which you do in the class. So if you have notebooks, well and good. If you don't have notebooks, write on a paper. And you'll be posting it on the group as well. And then keep it as a record. All of you. Everybody remembers the format of a formal letter?
Yes,
Still,
ma'am.
I'm taking it up as a quick revision with you because you're going to write now. You've not written anything. This is sender's address, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many lines?
And 2 lines.
2 lines.
2 lines. Supposing your address is 15 civil lines. So, and Bareilly. So, how will you write this? What will you write in the first line?
15 civil lines, Bareilly and pin code.
15 civil lines.
Where will the comma be put?
Ma'am, after Bareilly.
After 15.
After 15. Yes. The first line, after 15, you'll put a comma. And C of civil and L of lines will be capital. All of you, please take care of this. See, R is capital, G is capital. So if you're writing civil lines, then the first letter of the first word, that is C of civil. And supposing it is Rampur Garden, if I talk about Bareilly, then R will be capital and G will be capital. And then the name of the city and the pin code. Everybody is confident about writing sender's address?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many lines? How many lines
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
confirmed? How
2
many
lines.
lines? 2 lines. Comma should be put after the house number. And the first letter should be capital. Is it okay for all of you? Fine. Supposing you're living in Gulmohar Park. Your house number is 45. So how will you write your address?
45, comma,
45.
Gulmohar Park, Bareilly.
Yes,
Yes.
45, comma, Gulmohar Park.
Park.
Comma is after 45, you've already told me. Now tell me what letters would be capital here?
Ma'am,
G and
G will be capital and Park B will be capital.
Yes,
and-
P would be capital. Gulmohar, G would be capital. Park, P would be capital. Then the name of the city and your pin over here. Pin code is, you know, we need not know the pin code of all the cities in the country. So we'll obviously write 456XX, 123XX, whatever. What is the second thing which should come? Over here, after this sender's address, what is the second thing which comes? Date.
Ma'am, date.
Date is not written correctly over here. I had already discussed. We need to have a TH over here and we need to have a comma over here. Then the receiver's address, the editor, the Times of India. You always put the with the editor and always write the with the name of the newspaper. This we had done and we need a pin over here. So this part and then the subject, which should be very short. It should be very short. We don't need to make sentences. Before I move on to this, everybody needs to do this. What is number 1 when we talk about the format, children? See this? What is written over
Sender's
here?
address.
sender address.
How many lines consumed?
2
Two.
lines. 2 lines.
Good. Number 2 is your
Date.
date. One thing I would like to mention over here, some of you, when you write the date, you write the word also date. You don't have to write that. Simply write what it is, the date. 24th May, 27th May. Directly write the date. Do not write the word. What will not be written?
Date.
Date. I've seen many students, they write DATE, date, and then they write the date. Everybody knows this is date. Then why do we need to mention DATE, date? So don't write date. This is number 2. Number 3 is written this side. It should be written this side. Everything, we'll take it on the left only. Number 3 is this. Receiver's designation and address. Receiver's designation means we are writing to whom? The general manager, the editor, the
Post of
HR
the
manager.
receiver.
Whom are we writing to? The CEO, branch manager. So this is designation. What is this?
Designation.
Use the. Yes, use the in front of designations. The general manager, the branch manager, the editor, the CEO. So we are going to use the with the designation. And like I told you, only 2 lines to be consumed for your address. Similarly, only 2 lines to be used for the receiver's address. You will only write the name of the company or the name of the newspaper and the name of the city. There is no need to give absolute details. Supposing I'm writing to a company, so I'll simply write the name of the company, Mrs. Gupta and Sons, New Delhi. That's it. I will not say, okay, Lal Bazaar, Red Cross. No details, because we'll already be writing it on the envelope where we are sending. So, beta, 3 lines maximum to be used here. 1 line, the first line will take the designation. The second line will be the name of the firm or the name of the newspaper if it is an editor. And the third line will be the name of the city. Is it okay for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So this is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
number 3. Number 3, it's coming here. This is your receiver's designation and address. Then you have salutation. You know what is salutation?
Dear sir or ma'am.
Yes, dear sir, dear ma'am, whatever you want to write. Putting a comma after this is absolutely optional. Some people put a comma, some people don't put a comma. I suggest there is no need to put a comma. Next is subject. Subject, it should be clear and crisp, means it should be very short. Supposing there are frequent power cuts in your locality, don't write frequent power cuts in my locality, Gulmohar Park. No, only very short. What will you write? Frequent power cuts. That's it. Then this part also we'll shift it this side, body of the letter. In the letter, we'll make 3 paragraphs. I've already told you. First paragraph, you will tell the purpose of writing the letter. Second, you will give the details. And third is conclusions and suggestions. And then the complimentary closing, yours faithfully or whatever you want to write. And then the sender's name. That is enough. Sender's name. So let's count how many we had. Number 1. Yes, children. This is number. Number 2 is what?
Date.
This number 3, you bring it here. Receiver's designation and address. This is 3. What is 4?
Mandatory.
Salutation. Mandatory means compulsory. You need to address the person. 5th is your subject over here.
Subject.
And then
Body
this
of
this
the
can be vice versa also. You can take subject up and salutation down. Both systems are correct. Then body of the letter, complimentary close. Count how many things are there. 1, 2, 3. Take this 3 this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are
Eight.
there? 8.
Eight.
Now, yes, all of you are ready. Please, everybody in your papers or notebooks, whatever you have, write the format of a formal letter and post it on the group immediately. Now, there is a box. Can you see the box on your screen? What does this indicate? That it is
Body of the
mandatory to
letter.
make a. What do we need to make? A box. Whenever you're writing a formal letter, you need to enclose it in a box. So 8, these things. And what is the 9th thing we need to remember? Tell me, apart from these 8 things, what is the other thing that you need to remember? That the letter has to be enclosed in a
Box.
yes. Letter has to be enclosed in a box. So whenever you write your letters, check out that all these things are written or they're not written. If you miss out on any one thing, you lose on your marks for the format of a letter. For a business letter, for an official letter, or rather if I say for a formal letter, the format is very, very important. What is number 1?
Sender's address.
Good. Number 2,
Date.
Date.
number 3,
Receiver's designation and address.
fine. 4,
Mandatory celebration.
5th,
Subject.
Subject.
subject. Subject should be very long.
No, ma'am.
There
Ma'am,
should be
one
two
line.
entries.
Not 2 line.
And then the next is 6th is what?
Copy of the letter.
Ma'am.
Yes. 7th. 7th is
Complimentary clause.
yes, complimentary
Conclusion.
clause.
Yes,
8th is
Sender's name and signature.
and 9th is
And we have to
I just
put in box.
yes. So once you write a letter, check for all the 9 things. All these 9 things should be there. Then your format is absolutely correct. And whatever marks are assigned for the format, you'll get them. Quickly write the format, make a box, write the format, post on the group and raise your hands. Till now, I've not told you to do this. Wow, who is this artistic child? Yellow color. Nice. Anyways, hurry up, please. Raise your hands also, post on the group. I want to check. Enough you sat in the class and just heard me speaking. Now today you need to do something. Hurry up, Bachi. Please raise your hands, those who are posting, so that I can check on the group. "29 students in the meeting. Let me see how many come on the group. Let me see if there's any hand raised. Kshitij, Riya, Zeba. Ash. You posted on your class groups?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, let
Yes,
me
ma'am.
check. Very good. Let me check. What are the others doing? Is it such a big process? Yes, Zeba, I've seen yours. You posted on the biology group, sender's address, date, designation, salutation, body 3 paragraphs, complimentary clause, and the box is also made. Very good. So I've checked for her. I'm on the bio group. On the bio group, I've just found one child. I'll move on to the PCM group now. Let's see. On the PCM group, we have more. Kshitij has posted. Let's see what Kshitij has. Oh, Kshitij has written the other way around. Huh? In place of format, he's written the letter kinds only. Anyways, we'll check accordingly. The manager, Balaji, sons. Okay. So subject is there, yours faithfully. Fine, Kshitij. This is also absolutely okay. You followed the format. Ria has posted sender's address, 2 lines, very good. Date, receiver's address. 3 to 4 lines means what, Ria, over here? How come it is 4 lines?
Now that we can use up to 3 to 4 lines for writing the receiver's address.
How will write 4 lines?
Ma'am, like we used to get a manager also, then the designation also, and the firm name also. So that's why.
Beta, make it 3 lines only. First line for the designation, second line for the name of the firm or the name of the newspaper, and third for the city. Subject is fine. Introductory paragraph, details, conclusion, complimentary closing, sender's name, designation, very good. And then the box is also there. Perfect, Riya. Let's move on to what Yash has written. Yash has written senders, date, receivers, mandatory salutation, body, complimentary close. How many paragraphs will make in the body, Yash?
Ma'am, 3.
Very good. Now we'll move on to Shruti. Sender's address, date, receiver's designation, mandatory, body of the letter, complimentary closing. Shruti, how many paragraphs in the body?
Ma'am, 3.
Okay, let's see what Priyal has written. Sender's date, receiver's salutation, subject, body, complimentary close, sender's name and address. Perfect, children. Moksha is also posted. Let's see. 2 lines he has consumed. Subject, salutation, para 1, introduction, detail, conclusion, complimentary close, and the box is also there. Perfect, children. All students of this section, 11th maths, I've checked. Now we've checked 11th bio, we've checked 11 maths. Let's move on to 11th humanities. Snehal has posted. Let's see in humanities. Receiver's designation, salutation, 3 paragraphs. Perfect, Snehal. Now we'll move on to 11th commerce. Let's see. 11th commerce, Anshika has already posted. No. Who has posted? What are these? So many things posted on your group. Amit Kumar. Amit has posted. Sender's address, date, receiver's designation, salutation, body, complimentary closing. Very good, Amit. Too good. Now everybody is confident about the anyone else has posted? Yes. 11th commerce, we have Simpy. Okay, fine. Simpy, this is yours. Good, you should write your name. Thank you so much for informing. Chaliye bacha. Now you all are confident of the format. Now listen carefully. Okay, everybody please write down. Your address is 35. Please write 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly. And you're writing the letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times. Your address is 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly. You're writing a letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times. Put today's date. And you need to complain about frequent power cuts in your locality. Electricity problem, basically. Frequent power cuts. Please write your address, your date, receiver's address, salutation, and the subject. Write only till here and the first paragraph, that is introductory paragraph, where you only tell why you're writing the letter. Only this much has to be written now. And please let me know once you finish writing and tell me that, ma'am, we are posting, I'll check. Listen again what you need to write. You need to write sender's address. I've already told you 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly, today's date. Receivers is the editor, the Hindustan Times. And then subject you select yourself and write. We have to basically complain that there's a lot of power cut in your locality wherever you're living. That is Rampur Garden. So how you will write the first paragraph? How will you introduce this? This much work has to be done. Please do it quickly. And then tell me that, ma'am, we are done. We are posting it on the group so that I can read out and tell you if there's a problem. Hurry up, children. Yes, dear. Let me see who does it quickly. And let me know that you've done. You don't have to write the entire letter, only till the first paragraph.
Ma'am, I have posted.
Okay, tell me which group. Let me read.
Ma'am, PCM group.
Okay, let's go to the PCM group. Fine. Pranjal had already posted the format. Let's see if the Pranjal's format also. Okay, you are here. 15 Green Park, Bareilly. Where is the pin code? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Better write the pin also when you write the name of the cities. If you don't know the pin, you simply write 1, 2, 3, XXX, 4, 5, 6, XXX, anything like this. I'm checking. Hurry up, others also. See how nicely, how quickly he has done. Others also, please do.
I'm done.
Please post on the group
Ma'am, I have
and tell me.
posted in bio group.
Okay, one by one, I'm going through it. Let's see if everything is written, pin code and etc. etc. All the mandatory things. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to the bio group. Fine, Pranjal, we've gone through yours from it. Now we are moving on to next child. 11 bio, Krish has posted. First, Ira has posted. Ira has posted the format. Receiver designation mandatory. Fine, Ira, yours is correct. Now, one more, what have you posted? Okay. Let me go through what has one more written. That is the format. Janvi has also posted the format. I'm going through it. Good. Now let's read what Krish has written. 101 civil lines. This L is capital now, beta? L of lines is capital?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Bareilly.
That is
Avoid.
the and that is
Hmm.
the format. Ma'am, I have posted the introduction and the letter at the last.
Okay, fine. Acha, that time written like this. Let me see one by one. I'm coming. Fine, Divya, you posted your format. It's correct. Who is this? After Divya's format has been written. Very good, but there is no name. Then by name of Vinita Gangwar, who is that? Please, Anadi. Anadi, very good. Please always write your names. Unnati, format has come. Okay, now let's read what Krish has written. 35, Rampur Garden, Bareilly, 28th May. Good. You put a comma after May, na? Good. The editor, the Hindustan Times, Bareilly. Subject is frequent power cuts. Sir, good. Avoid writing dear sir. I also suggest this. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned department, okay, towards the problem of frequent power cuts in our locality. Everything is fine, perfect, excellent. But I would suggest if you can make it concerned authorities of this department. Okay, department is something which is not living. So it would be better if you add on a word to this. Concerned authorities of electricity department, or you could simply write concerned authorities. Department means whom, who in the department. So it becomes a little ambiguous. It's not very clear, bache. So only one word, only one thing I would suggest is you should have added the word concerned authorities. Okay, or concerned department authorities. You could simply add the word there. Concerned department authorities. Because department is something which is non-living. Okay, Zeba has also written. Let's read. The editor, sir, subject, frequent electric cuts. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper. You put a full stop, Zeba, after newspaper?
Ma'am, I think it should be a comma.
Yes, it
I
should be a
put a
comma.
extra.
Yes, it should be a comma. I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities to the problem of frequent power cuts in our locality. Very good, children. Now, those who are done with the first paragraph, see there's one more child, Divya has posted, 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly, 25th May, the editor. Dear sir, ma'am, subject frequent power cuts. This is to inform you that from some days there are frequent power cuts in our locality. Beta, just change the little introduction, Divya. Don't directly say that this is to inform you. Like these students have written that this is through your esteemed daily, means through your newspaper. What will the editor do? Even if you inform him, editor has no power, he has no authority to get your problem solved. Only what he can do is he can print your letter in the newspaper. So we just need to draw the attention that he can print it in the newspaper. Otherwise, editor will not be able to help us in anything. It is only that once it is printed in the newspaper, the concerned authorities will read and they may help you out. So just change the introductory line in this 11 biology. Okay, any other group children I need to move on to? Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, PCM.
Okay, let's go to PCM. Let's see if there is a mistake. PCM. Earlier we had one group only. Things were easier for people like me. Okay, Rachit. Yes. This is Rachit's format. Okay, very good. Then the next is Nabil. This is also his format. Very good. If you're confident of the format, you'll be able to write. Vedanshi, this is the format. Okay, good. Fine, Vedanshi. Now we move on to Moksh, what he has written. 35, Rampur Garden, Bareilly. 28 May, the editor, the Hindustan Times, Chandigarh. Pin code of Chandigarh is missing. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Good. Very good. Subject is frequent power cuts. Dear sir, through the column of your esteemed daily, comma, I want to discuss the problem of frequent power cuts in my locality. Fine. This is absolutely fine. Only that pin was missing. Let's see what Priyansh has written. 35B Rampur Garden. Priyansh, why Bareilly has gone towards right? Why have you left the space? It should be all left. Stick to your margin, Priyansh. Okay. Bareilly
Okay.
should also be written very close to the margin only. There's one more mistake in the date. Tell children, help your friend Priyansh what mistake he has done while writing the date. Tell
Ma'am,
PCM
that
to.
comma part I will correct.
Okay,
Ma'am,
we'll
he
put
has
a
not put
comma.
the comma.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, there are two mistakes.
TH also, ma'am, TH also on the line.
TH should be on the line. It should be not written as a power or an exponent. And then we should have a comma after May. And I would suggest don't write the year also. Simply write 20. What will we write? 20XX. Though this is not wrong, but take care. The editor. There's one more problem now, children, in the receiver's address. Tell what is the problem. Tell me, what is the problem in the receiver's address in this? Not able to find? Nobody is
Ma'am,
able to
I
find.
Ma'am, the Hindustan time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, always use the with the name of a newspaper. So the editor, the Hindustan Times, rest is fine. Subject is frequent power cuts through the esteemed column of your prestigious newspaper. Beta, esteemed means prestigious only. Acha, the column is esteemed, the newspaper is prestigious. That is what you're trying to say. I would suggest use one word only. I would like to bring the issues of power cuts to the concerned authorities. I would like to bring the issue, bring to notice. Okay? You want to inform them. So you could have added the word bring to the notice of the concerned authorities. Rest everything is correct. Whatever corrections we are telling, do it here only. Do the cutting and do it. Priyansh, do it there only. No need to write again. Okay, Yash
Okay, ma'am.
Sharma has written 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly. Okay, same mistake, Yash. Understood? What has to be written before the name of the newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
What should we write?
Ma'am, the.
The. With the names of all newspapers, always remember, we need to use. What do we need to use? The. And also with designations. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Use newspaper. Use what? Okay, fine. Good going. I'm just going through it. Any other mistake you can find, children? Yes. Keep reading, your friends have posted so that if there's something we can also find out. Very good. Fine, fine. Okay. Rest everything is correct. Let's move on to the next one. Yash. Yash, have we discussed yours? No. 35
ma'am.
Rampur Garden, Bareilly. Yash, yours is discussed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. Moksh is discussed, Priyansh is done, Nabil is not done. Let's discuss for Nabil now. 35 Rampur Garden, Bareilly, 28 May, the editor, the Hindustan Times, frequent power cut. Dear sir, ma'am, through the extended columns. Extended column? What do you mean by this, Bacha? It should be esteemed column, not extended, okay?
Okay,
Esteemed means respected. Newspaper, after newspaper, we should have a comma, not a full stop. I would like you to highlight the issue of frequent power cuts to the concerned authorities of the department. Good, this is fine. Very nice. Just make sure that there's a comma, not a full stop. Let's see what Kshitij has written. Let's read this also, what Kshitij has written. 11th March, the editor, frequent power cuts through the column of your esteemed newspaper, comma. Kshitij, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
After newspaper, there should not be a full stop. There should be a comma. I want to draw the attention of concerned authority. Authority nahi beta, authorities. What is the word you'll use?
Authority.
Yeah, because there are many people. Towards the frequent. Rest everything is fine. Only two things you change. In place of full stop after newspaper, make a comma, and in place of authority, you make it authorities. Rachit has posted something. Let's see, 35 Rampur Garden, 28th May. Rachit, TH should be online. Is it okay, beta? Not as a power. I hope you're listening. Rachit, am I audible? Anyways, he is not able to speak, but I'll keep giving my feedback. And with Hindustan Times, we need to add the. We need to always add the with the name of the newspaper. Frequent power cuts, F of frequent should be capital. This is the first letter of the subject. It has to be capital. So F should be capital. Through the column of your newspaper, I want to highlight the problem of power cuts in our society. Rest, everything is correct. There is no other problem in this, what Rachita has written. Shruti has posted May 28th, the editor. Beta Shruti, we don't put a comma after the editor. Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
So cut this comma. The Hindustan Times is perfect. Subject is frequent power cuts. Sir, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, fine. I would like to draw the attention concerned authorities. Very good. Rest everything is correct. So whatever corrections are done, do it in this only. Let's move on to what Harshit has written. Shanti Vihar, Badaयूं Road, Bareilly. Okay, he has a different address. Put the pin code of Bareilly. Okay. You don't know the pin code, simply write 123XX and put a comma after March. Okay, beta? Harshit? I don't know whether you can hear. And it is not editors, it is editor. The editor, not editors. Rest everything is correct. Frequent power cuts. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I want to draw the attention of concerned authorities. Very good. Rest everything is correct, Harshit, that you've written. Let's see what Vedanshi has written. Rampur Garden, the editor, the Hindustan Times, through the column of your esteemed daily, I want to draw the attention of concerned authorities. Very good. No mistake found. Good, Vedanshi. Okay. Nobody else in PCM group has posted?
Ma'am, I have posted on the group.
PCM group?
No, ma'am, PCB.
Okay, let's go back to the PCB group now. Just give me 1 second. I'll go back to PCB. Yes. Yes, on PCB group, many students have posted, but you people did not tell me that you posted, beta. Nishkarsh has posted. Achha, this is the format that he has posted.
Yes, ma'am.
What else? Ira posted. Rampur Garden, Bareilly, 26th May, the editor. Ira, you need to put the Hindustan Times. With the name of newspaper, always use the. I'm a resident Rampur Garden. Rest, everything is correct what Ira has written. Good. Now we move on to Anadi. 28th May, beta. Comma should be after May, not after 28th. Anadi.
Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it okay? Frequent power cuts, frequent this for the column. Perfect. No other mistake. Change the comma. Janvi has posted Rampur Garden, Bareilly, 28th May. The editor. Janvi, it is the editor, the Hindustan Times. With the name of the newspaper. And Bareilly should be in the next line. 2 lines you have to use for the address. First line you write the editor. Second line the Hindustan Times. No comma needed. And third line you write Bareilly and pin code. There is no need to put a bracket